You buy a new set of wheels, then you hit the trail. I mean, you're not a city slicker, you actually use your Jeep. And your new wheels are forgotten. As you blow through that rock garden section of the trail, your new wheels look like you don't know how to social distance when parking against a curb. That's not a problem for TeraFlex Nomad Wheel owners equipped with the quickest air-down system on the planet. Introducing the new Nomad Split Rash Rings. Yeah, you're a wheeler, but you're not out of control. You're careful to only smash your wheels against rocks in a single spot. Individual sections of the Rock Rash guards are now available. These sectional wheel guards make sanitizing that rock-to-wheel impact scar quick, clean, and affordable. For the first time, Jeepers rolling on Nomad wheels will be able to add a touch of color to their wheels. TeraFlex, here to keep you looking good. Oh, yeah, and your Jeep too.